We want from our listeners today 3 reasons why the JLP won the elections and 3 reasons why the PNP lost the elections. All right, Papa Nana.
Mr. Hughes, God bless you all. Since that time is going, let me hurry up.
Yeah, you give me your 3 reasons.
Yes, sir. The reason I will start with Mark Golding now. For too long, the devil has held him hostage, hold him hostage. And he did not decide to let go of it. Manufactures lies. And there is nothing in the world that God hates as lies. Deliberate lies. No. How could you want to run a country when you deliberately tell the people that you don't have nothing in Jamaica? You don't own nothing in Jamaica. What you take black people for? Right? You can't just keep on telling a child that you promise him something for Christmas, and when Christmas comes, you tell him Christmas. Those are the things. This is one mouth let him down. Lies. And they decided that in collaboration with the IC, they would just write to Jamaica House and pick up the key. But once God is in the midst, you're not going to get things done the way how you want it once it is wrong. And that is the 3 reasons why he has lost the election.